Welcome to CARICOMP Insider, where high-tech facial recognition meets real-world intelligence.
A court looked at fake explicit images of teenagers and decided no crime had happened. The reason? The fakes weren't good enough. A South Korean judge ruled that because the manipulated photos were obviously fake, they didn't count as illegal material. Let me say that again, because it sounds backwards. A man bought doctored nude images of underage idols. The court let him walk, partly because the editing was sloppy enough to spot. If you've ever posted a photo of your kid or your own face online, this one lands close to home. Because the question this case raises is simple and unsettling. If someone steals your face to make something fake, who does the law actually protect? Start with the ruling itself. According to court reporting from outlets like All K-pop and KBZOOM, the judge found the images were poor in quality, easy to recognize as edited. And under the specific law used to charge him, the images had to depict actual child victims to count as exploitation material. The court decided synthetic fakes didn't clear that bar. So here's the twist that should stop you cold. Bad fakes mean no crime. Better AI, more convincing fakes could actually make a defendant more guilty. The worse the technology, the safer the offender. Now widen the lens. This isn't a rare glitch. Researchers at Monash University report that more than half of all deepfake pornography online features South Korean women. And the reported cases exploded. Reviews of deepfake images jumped from around 1,900 in 2021 to more than 23,000 by 2024. That's not a trend, that's a flood. For the everyday person, that means the tools to fake a face are now cheap, fast, and everywhere. Then there's what happens after an arrest. Of the people indicted for deepfake crimes in South Korea since 2021, less than a third went to prison. Nearly 60% avoided jail entirely, through suspended sentences, fines, or being found not guilty. The laws were written for real photos of real crimes. Synthetic media slips through the cracks between those words. And the deepest problem is technical. Legal analysts, including the Illinois State Bar Association, point out there's no reliable way today to prove an image is AI generated. The fakes keep evolving to dodge the detectors. So investigators hit a wall both ways. If a fake is obviously fake, there may be no crime. If it's convincing, proving AI made it needs forensic tools courts haven't agreed on yet. That changes how cases get built. Metadata and source tracking now matter as much as the image. For the rest of us, it means the next disturbing image you see might never get answered for. The real story here isn't that deepfakes exist. It's that the law is losing a race it doesn't yet know it's running. The harm to a victim is real. But the system keeps asking the wrong question. Is it a good enough fake instead of the obvious one? Did someone use your face without your consent? So here's the whole thing in plain words. A court decided fake nude images of teens weren't a crime because they looked fake. The law was built for real photos, and AI doesn't fit that mold. And nobody can yet prove with certainty what's fake and what's real. Whether you're an investigator building a case or just a parent posting a birthday photo, this decides one thing: whose face the law is willing to protect. The full story's in the description if you want the deep dive.
Now you know something most people in this industry don't. Use it. And when you're ready to put it to work, caracomp.com. We'll see you tomorrow.